Hello everyone, welcome back to Sporaria YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to double tap to wake or turn off the screen on Samsung Galaxy A36. Alright guys, if you still turning off the phone by pressing the power button, you have to leave this way because I have another tips to turn on the phone or turn off the phone by double tap the screen. And how to do that is very easy, so yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Alright, first now you can go to the settings menu, and then after that now you can scroll down a little bit and go to advanced feature. And then now you can go to motion and gesture, and then now you can turn on the feature double tap to turn on screen and double tap to turn off screen. Alright, here's the example. And then so yeah, it works guys, and it will be easy to use this feature instead of pressing the power button. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial, and thank you so